Welcome back to the Streets to Entrepreneurs Academy. Now let's get into assignment number 2 into our lesson of personal information and credit building. Now let's get into credit building. We're about to mail off your personal information letters. Good. Let's get into assignment number 2, which is credit building. In this part of this course, you will learn how to build credit. We included a credit building tracker, and we also included different apps and platforms that help with building credit faster and cheaply for people to start out. We advise to start building credit right now because now with you updating your personal information, you're going to include in applying for these credit builder apps and platforms or lines of credit and secured cards, the up-to-date and current information that you're about to correct now. This is going to make the system operate a little bit more faster on correcting and updating your personal information because these addresses, names, and stuff that you're about to use to apply are going to now report on your credit report. In these different apps and platforms, we have designed them to be more budget friendly and easy to use. So you have like Kickoff, which starts at $5, and then you have Chime, which a lot of people already have, that you can use a secured credit card to where now you can just transfer the money that's already in your Chime account that you're getting and use it through your secured credit card. That will boost your credit score up faster. Now, one of the cons that comes with certain credit building is that certain credit building from credit cards or secured cards or certain apps do, or hard pulls they call them, on your credit report, which means that your credit score will go down. In the midst of us already about to correct everything, this is going to naturally happen and occur. We advise to start now on the process of credit building because now we're also going to have to wait for correspondence back from these letters and also our credit profiles to be updated. We also included a credit builder tracker that can track the progress on when you start your credit building, what is the payments, the monthly payments, and the different links. And then we will also do a course and study into the different links and how we could use links to make money. But that's for another course study. Also included is artificial intelligence, but we're not going to talk about that. That's on you to learn to play with the program that we're presenting to you for this course. That is the whole gist of credit building right now. Also, we included a link to Trade Lines account, which is another way that you can build credit or fix and build business credit. It's a link included in there too if you want to use, and that's on you. Do your own research. This is not financial advice, they tell you this at. So to conclude this assignment, or up to your choice to start this process of credit building, we now know what type of apps to go about credit building, how much they roughly cost, and what it can do to help you in your journey of fixing your credit or credit repair or correcting your credit profile. This concludes the assignment of credit building. Now you should learn and know what different apps and platforms you can use, which ones is budget friendly, and how it affects your credit score and how it could boost your credit score. Do your own research because this is not financial advice. This is just advising and assistance on information. Included, like I said, is also the credit builder tracker using people. Now that you know this, let's go on to the next part of this course study, which will be inaccurate and negative accounts. See you there.